Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a high-value niche because advertisers pay more where intent is commercial. Once chosen, build 3 content pillars and list 10 target keywords each that show buyer intent. Then make your first 5 videos using the same look and voice so the algorithm recognizes your channel. Make sure thumbnails, titles, and descriptions use target keywords. This drives the right viewers and higher CPM from the start. Begin uploading on a predictable schedule to signal consistency and attract advertisers. You now focus on execution. Craft videos 8 to 15 minutes long because longer content often increases mid-roll ad inventory. Start with a retention hook in the first 15 to 30 seconds and maintain pacing. Once done, add chapter markers and an SEO-optimized title and description using exact target keywords so YouTube surfaces the video to the right advertisers. Make thumbnails bold and mobile-friendly, and build playlists to increase session time. These signals raise CPM by attracting higher value. You finish by scaling and diversifying revenue so CPM gains compound. Launch consistent series, run a/B thumbnail and title tests, and pursue sponsorships and affiliate deals that pay above ad rates. Make sure to enable mid-rolls where appropriate and offer memberships for recurring income. If CPM stays low, troubleshoot. Examine analytics for audience geography, watch time, and content category. Adjust to higher-paying topics or exclude sensitive ad categories. Finally, iterate weekly. Small changes compound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.